Mama Jeng ready?
Ang taas na nga.
We are here at Piero Beach Resort here in Zambales. It took us at least mga 4 hours to get here from Manila. So we got here na mga Friday, now it's Saturday, and malakas yung yung waves. Then banana boat kami today. Okay lang, hindi kami nahulog sa sa banana boat. Hindi masyadong hindi masyadong intense yung banana boat. But look at the background. It's a nice beach. Hindi siya mabato. Oh, okay lang. Sense lang. Then later tonight, mag-iihaw kami. Sana pwede. Then
may uling pa sila?
Hindi ko lang alam kung may uling sila. Sabi na, actually hindi ko alam. Baka yun din yung kailangan natin bilhin. Hindi tayo sure. Anyway, punta kami ng palengke. Siguro. Buy stuff. Kailangan kasi natin malaman kung may uling ba, ano ba yung ipapahiram nila. Or baka pwede lang at that area kasi wala naman tayong pangluto. So this is the area.